are talking about the destiny number or expression number in numerology today, and I'm going to reveal what does the destiny number tell you about yourself, to how you can calculate your destiny number. Let's dive right into the topic of the destiny number in numerology. Yes, I know some numerologists call the destiny number expression number. I will call it a destiny number. So what is the destiny number in numerology? The destiny number reveals your mission here in this lifetime. Your destiny number in numerology tells you what you are destined to accomplish. Your destiny number will tell you what you are most successful in doing, and it shows you in which areas of your life you need to develop to be able to reach your full potential. And what's your full potential? The destiny number is the second most powerful number in numerology, next to your life path number and next to your birthday code. Want to know your life path number in numerology, you want to know your birthday code, the day you were born, and your destiny number, especially when you are asking yourself, what is the right career path for me? How am I successful in making money? How am I going to accumulate wealth and health in my life? Then you want to have a specific look into your destiny number, especially in combination with your life path number. And I will give you at the end of the video a hands-on example in how I read the numbers in combination. How do you calculate your destiny number? The destiny number is revealed through your birth name. So we want your first name, middle name, and last name to calculate your destiny number. Getting into the calculation, any form of junior, third, second, these add-ons to a name are not going to come into the calculation of your destiny number. We need the Pythagorean system. You see here the Pythagorean system. Every letter is associated to a number from 1 to 9 in numerology. The number 1 is associated with the letter A, J, and S. The 2 is associated with the B, K, and T, and so on. So you see here the connection to the letters and numerology using the Pythagorean system in the Western numerology. What you want to do right now for the calculation, you want to grab a pen of paper, you want to make a screenshot of the Pythagorean system, so you have that for your personal calculation on your phone, always available. To calculate your destiny number, you want to write down your name, your full name, first name, middle name, and last name on a piece of paper. We have here our character Mario Moneymaker. Why is he Mario Moneymaker? Because he is born on the 22nd of November 1991. Please, when you leave me your birthday in the comments, write me 22nd of November 1991, because I am personally from Germany. We write the date different than when you're coming from the US. I know you do it the other way around, and that can be sometimes confusing for me. So help me out with that. Write me always your day and then the month in written words, so I know that. Mario Moneymaker is born on the 22nd of November. That means he is a life path 26-8. So you can see already here the significance why he is Mario Moneymaker eventually. But we want to calculate now the destiny number. Therefore, you take the screenshot of the Pythagorean system in numerology. So you have this chart in front of you for your own unique name. What I recommend now, to write your name with a little bit more space. I show you exactly how I am doing it for myself. So I would write Mario Money with some space in between the letters, Maker. And what we're going to do right now, it's very, very simple, just to associate the different letters with the numbers. To see that exactly here, M equals a number 4. I write the 4 under the M. We have the A is the number 1, R number 9, I number 9, and you get the idea. You do the same for your name. Once you have now every letter associated with a number under your name, we're going to calculate them all together, and I show you my favorite way how I love and prefer to do it. So I'm going to calculate all the numbers together from the first name because I am curious as well. So what is Mario, his name, number about? So I'm calculating 4 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6. Take a calculator if you need or you feel more secure within it. Equal 29. Money, we have the number 27, and maker the number 21. And to bring it as well into a one-digit number, we have here the 9 and the number 3. So this is very interesting if you want to see the numbers of your name. You can see we have here the master number 11 for his first name, the number 9, his middle name, and his last name, the number 3. So how do we calculate now the destiny number? So 29 plus 27 plus 21, and we're going to have our destiny number here. Wow, Mario Moneymaker is really unique, so with the destiny number 77. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 1 plus 4 equals 5. I love to do it especially this way because I am curious which are these numbers as the destiny number 5. So we see. As for our example, we have Mario Moneymaker, his big 3 numbers. We have his destiny number 5, life path number 8, and 22 is his birth code. Comment me down below what are your big 3 numbers and if you need any help with the calculation. Mario Moneymaker is a birthday code 22, which is a master number. This is the first master number we are considering right now in his numerology chart. With the birthday code 22, that means Mario Moneymaker is a master manifester. He is a person who will build step by step, moving forward to build a secure and stable foundation with mostly like a higher vision. Mario Moneymaker wants to build something big in the world. He wants to build something that not only concerns himself, he wants to build something that concerns a bigger mass of people in his life. He's very disciplined, grounded, loyal. He cares about family, he cares about community, about his friends. It's a very loyal person who concerns himself about connection and bringing people together. Mario Moneymaker is a life path number 8. The life path number 8 is a power player. It is as well a person who is very good in manifestation because of its focus and discipline. Life path 8 works towards his goals, disciplined, and the life path 8 is here to find balance between the material and the spiritual world. The life path 8 is a business-minded leader who loves to make business, who loves as well to dive into spiritual concepts, and who loves to share resources. The destiny number 5. With the destiny number 5, Mario Moneymaker is going to be most successful in finding freedom in his life. With the destiny number 5, he is destined to be a freedom seeker. How does this look like in his career? With the destiny number 5, Mario Moneymaker is destined to be a freedom-loving adventurer who lives his life to the fullest and to make the most out of his experiences. The life mission of Mario Moneymaker with the destiny number 5 is to experience as much as he can in his lifetime and to teach others what he learned along the way. With the destiny number 5, he might be promoting a product or a service or a philosophy that helped him in his life to gain more freedom. Career tips, career-wise, for Mario Moneymaker as a destiny number 5 is that he needs flexibility in his career. He needs to be able to manage his time on his own. This is how he will be operating the most successful in his career. He will be the most successful when he sees work and career and business as play and incorporates as much fun as possible to be in a high frequency. He's very good in communication. So one idea for Mario Moneymaker would be with all of his numbers, especially the destiny number 5, that he builds a YouTube channel, a social media channel, Instagram, travel account, and helping people to break free from their mundane life, helping people to show what is possible. He has a great magnetism, so he will be very good in front of the camera. How are we bringing now the 3 big numbers together and help Mario Moneymaker to really find his career and his success path in life? We bring now the 3 big numbers together and what is the best career path for Mario Moneymaker with the birthday code 22, with a life path number 8 and a destiny number 5. Mario will thrive in a career in a management position or even as the founder of an entire business. He's very good in managing a team, and he's very good in seeing the strength of his co-workers and to lead them to do successful their part of the job. He is gifted with a natural sense of authority, so his teammates or his co-workers will naturally listen to him very, very well. And he has a gift to motivate others in a very natural way. This will help him to build a successful business for himself. As I mentioned already, he could be a content creator, creating YouTube videos, creating a big Instagram account or TikTok account, or he could be in a management higher up position, because he needs the power of decision and he needs the power of choosing when to work and how to work. He is definitely someone who wants to build an empire and who is working towards to build something big. He is good on the big stages of life. He's good in communicating to big masses. So he needs positional career where he can make his own decisions, where he can be free from showing up from a 9 to 5 that wouldn't be working very well for Mario Moneymaker with his numbers. It's better he can intuitively move in his career. So this is the example and how I bring the big 3 numbers together to help really Mario to find his best career path and what he will be successful in doing. Which areas does Mario need to work in, especially with the destiny number 5? He needs to work on realizing that routine and discipline will help him to find more inner freedom. He might have some resistance or a guard against routines and discipline and the day-to-day mundane activities. He needs to find a balance between always going on adventures and the adrenaline rush, and making peace that not everything in life can be as exciting as a new adventure. These are major topics Mario needs to work on to be the most successful as he can be in his life. He needs as well to learn how to show himself vulnerable, because the number 5 is a very sensitive number and he wants to show that sensitivity to others, especially born on the 22nd. He is a highly sensitive person, a highly empathic person. So learning how to communicate his sensitivity and using that to his advantage to understand other people better will really benefit him and bring him great good success in his life. Let me know in the comments your big 3 numbers, your birthday code, your life path number, and your destiny number. I will share with you in a separate video the destiny numbers 1 to 33. You want to check out your specific destiny number and you want to book a numerology reading if you really want to get this sense on how to bring the numbers all together and how to resolve a current situation in your life most effectively using numerology. Thank you for being here. Thank you for spreading your love in the comments and subscribing to the channel. Thank you, and I see you in the next one.